She's gonna puke.
Go the other way, matey. Can you not go that way correctly?
Are you still going? Oh, she heard a noise.